Hi guys, welcome back to another market analysis video. I know it's been a while since I made my last video. I think the last one which I made was when Nifty was trading around 15,900, and a lot has happened, a lot of action has taken place since then, and Nifty is right now trading at somewhere around 17,300. Yes. So without any further ado, let's just get into the charts and see what's going on in the markets right now. So let's start off with Nifty to understand the overall market view right now. So we are on the daily chart, and you can see that Nifty has climbed a lot since the 15,900 levels, which we had marked previously. And a good up move has been there. And after every up move, we need to understand that there is going to be some sort of consolidation. Now, what is this consolidation? It is basically buyers booking their profits, right? So what happens is there are people who have bought somewhere here and they ride all this this trend, and once they are satisfied with the profits, they start booking their profits. That means they start selling. So what happens when they sell is basically the market goes sideways, or sometimes it might even fall a little. So right now what is happening is the market is sideways. From the past 4 to 5 days the market is sideways, but major thing that we have to notice over here is the VIX. Each candle that you see, you can see that there are the lower wicks are much bigger, which means that every time the price falls down, the buyers are taking it up. Every time the price falls down, the buyers are taking it up. So that means a lot of demand is being created. So I am not yet bearish on Nifty yet. So my overall market view is still bullish, and as long as this particular level is maintained, I am still bullish in the market. So if this particular level is broken down, that means if we see any candle breaking down, then I think we might see some healthy correction that can happen. But apart from that, I'm very bullish on Nifty. So let's look at Nifty on an hourly time frame and see how it is behaving. So yeah. So what I can see is, let me remove this and draw a particular zone, right? So when I draw zones, it just means where most of the activity is taking place. So this is one particular zone, right? I call this the demand zone. We call this the demand zone, and you can see how many times the price has gone up. It came down, took support from here, went up, took support from here, went up. Again, it has taken support from here, and it is going up. So I am still bullish on Nifty as long as this particular zone is holding, right? So if this particular zone is broken down, then we can expect some further fall, but not big falls and all. I think we might take support again at 17,057 levels. And on the upper side, if the resistance is broken, which is basically 17,400, if this particular resistance is broken, we might see another good rally in Nifty. So those are the two scenarios that we have to keep in mind while trading Nifty. And apart from that, let's get into the stock. I have one particular stock that I want to share with you guys. It's from the steel sector. It's called JSW Steel. Let me take you to a daily time frame. Let me just clear all of this. I've already made my analysis on this, but I thought I should share it with everyone over here so that everyone learns something from it, right? Just like Nifty, you can see that JSW Steel has climbed quite a bit. From 400 levels, it is trading at almost 700. So that's almost like 90%. So yeah, that's a very good up move. And like I said earlier on Nifty as well, there are people who buy in this region, right? There are people who buy in this region, and they will book their profits somewhere over here. And when they start booking their profits, the market moves sideways. So that is what we are seeing right now. The market is moving sideways. Now there is a major demand zone that I see over here. Let me draw the demand zone. So this is the demand zone that I see on JSW Steel, and I am particularly bullish on this stock and on the whole steel industry as well. So I believe there is a lot of scope of improvement for India, and major things might happen in the steel industry. So that is why I am looking for long-term holdings in the steel industry. Now you can see that JSW Steel has gone up. It has tested this levels multiple times, and it is consolidating in this region. Let me zoom in and show you the candles over here. So you can see that the candles are all doji candles, very small candles. So I have actually bought JSW Steel over here today. Let me take you to the lower time frame on an hourly time frame and show you what's going on. So again, look at this. The market is in the demand zone, and it is consolidating over here. Now what we have to understand is, after every consolidation we can expect a big up move. Now it could be on either sides, okay, but which side is it more probable? It is more probable on the upper side. Why? Because this is an uptrending stock. We saw that the previous trend is up, right? We saw that how the trend has been moving up, so it is more probable to go towards in the same direction of the trend. So that's why I will be trading it on the long side. I will be buying the stock and holding it. So yeah, I bought the stock somewhere over here at 690 levels actually, and my stop loss is, let me draw my stop loss. My stop loss is somewhere over here, okay, below this region, below this consolidation region, and my target is the top. So I have a good 1:2 risk to reward ratio, as you can see here. So basically what I'm doing is I'm risking 33 rupees per share to gain 76 rupees per share. So that's a very good risk to reward ratio. If you keep following 1:2 risk to reward ratio trades, then if you take 10 trades and 5 of them are in loss, I mean 5 of them you lose, the remaining 5 are enough to get out in profit. So that is why there is a lot of importance given to risk to reward ratio. So this is what my JSW trade looks like, and let's see how it plays out in the coming days, and I'll keep you guys updated. So that's it from my side. Hopefully I will make some more videos in the coming days. And yeah, if you have any queries, you can drop them down in the comment section, or you can DM me. Anything is fine. See you. Bye bye.